Hello everyone, and once again welcome back to my page. And today I want to teach you guys how to make soap. You see this soap over here? I'll teach you guys how I made it. So just watch. If this is your first time coming to my page, do well by following me, do well by subscribing, do well by making sure you like this video and share. Then drop your comments where you don't understand. Over here is the work table, and you can see my ingredients and chemicals displayed there. I will start highlighting them one after the other with their measurement. Here is the water we'll be using to dissolve our caustic soda, and I'm making use of 1000 grams, which is equal to 1 liter. Then this is the caustic soda we'll be pouring into the water. I'm making use of 460 grams. So you dissolve caustic soda in water when making your soap. After properly dissolving your caustic soda in water, you have to keep it aside for it to cool down, because right now it is very hot. So we'll be making use of palm kernel oil, and the oil is 2750 grams. So if you need more trainings on how to make soap, body cream, the laundry bar soap, the liquid soap, the powder detergent, all sorts, we teach all sorts, you check the description of this video. You'll find a link where you can simply click on that link to join our online class. There you can learn how to make soap like a pro. You can learn how to make things like the body cream and hair shampoo, liquid soap, the organic soap. There's so many things you will learn in our online class. But if you have issues joining through the link, you can do well by chatting me on WhatsApp through this phone number displayed here. Chat me on WhatsApp if you want to join our class. If you have issues joining through the link, you can chat me on WhatsApp to be added to the training group. So at this point, our oil is warm. The oil I'm using is warm, and the caustic soda temperature is not hot. It is warm or cool. Now this is the time you mix them together. I will pour my caustic soda directly into my oil. Once I'm done pouring it inside, I will start mixing it or stirring it with my spatula. So you can see. Now, when you are mixing it, you can now add your color. And you have to be fast, because this process, the soap usually becomes very thick. So you don't have to waste time. Make sure everything that you have to put inside the soap is standby. Your color and your fragrance is standby. So that when you put everything, you do the final mixing before pouring it into your soap mold. So I am about to pour it into the soap mold. You can see this I didn't even waste time. It is ready, and I've poured it into the mold. So at this point, you don't have to waste time, because the soap doesn't waste time to become very thick. That is, the soap batter doesn't waste time to become very thick inside your mixing bowl. So you don't waste time. Make sure everything you are doing is quick. Your fragrance is standby, your color is standby, everything you want to put inside is standby. You have to be very fast at this point. So I'm going to assemble the mold together. This mold is actually 12,000 naira. We are selling this mold. We used to mass produce them, and it's for sale. If you need this soap mold, do well by reaching me on WhatsApp through any of those numbers displayed on the screen of this video. Chat me up on WhatsApp if you want to purchase this mold. We will send it down to your location. We deliver nationwide. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, we can send this mold to you. And we also have ways or means of sending our equipment down to Ghana and Cameroon. So if you are in Ghana or Cameroon, we can send our equipment to you. If you are in Nigeria, whatsoever part of Nigeria you are, we can waybill our soap equipment to your location. So if you like our equipment, do well by chatting me on WhatsApp. We have different kinds of equipment for making soap. We have varieties. You chat me up on WhatsApp to see the pictures of our equipment with their prices, and you choose the one you want, and we waybill it down to your location. So after assembling everything, I'm going to cover the soap. So you can see I have assembled the whole mold together. I'm going to cover it with a nylon and keep this for at least 24 hours. After 24 hours, our soap will be ready to be taken out of the mold, because by that time it has become hard enough to be taken out of the mold. So this is the following day. This is how the soap looks like. It's so bright and it's having a lemon color. So this is 24 hours. I'm going to take the soap out of the mold. By this time it is hard enough to be taken out of the mold. You can see this mold is very unique. If you need it, do well by reaching me on WhatsApp to purchase your own. We deliver nationwide. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, we can send our equipment to you. This mold is very affordable. It's just 12,000 naira. We have other types. Just in case you don't like this one, you can choose from other varieties. You just do it by chatting me on WhatsApp and see the one you like, and you purchase it. So you can see this mold is very easy to use, no complication, no stress. You can see how I am parting away the soap from each other. Very easy. There is no stress, no complication. Now we have another thing called the soap cutter, which I'm going to show next. This is our soap cutter. It's just 22,000 naira. We have this cutter. We have it in bulk. So if you need it, also do well by chatting me on those phone numbers displayed there on the screen. Reach me on WhatsApp to purchase our precision soap cutter for just 22,000 naira only. We deliver nationwide. No, this cutter can cut soap of various size. You just adjust it to the size you want to cut, and it's going to cut the soap for you. So if you want to cut size of 100 naira, it's going to cut. If you want to cut the size of 200 naira, it's going to cut. If you want to cut the size of 300 naira, it can cut. So you can adjust the length of how you want to cut your soap. So this is a very wonderful cutter. We don't just have soap molds and soap cutter, we have soap stamps. So if you need a stamp, you can do it by reaching me on WhatsApp to purchase our soap stamp. We have a lot of equipment. We have the soap trimmer, we have the soap groove maker, we even have the tabletop cutter. So if you have watched this video to this point and you have not subscribed, do it by subscribing, do it by following me, so that you will not miss out on our lucrative videos. I drop a lot of lucrative videos, so you won't miss. You don't want to miss any of my wonderful videos, trust me, because I have wonderful videos for you. So do it by following me, and please share this video with your friends. There are people that want to watch interesting videos like this. Do it by sharing these videos with your friend. Let them also know that there's something like this going on. And also, if you have any question, you do it by dropping your comments in the comment section. And don't forget to join the online class where you will learn how to make soap like a pro. Like I have displayed the numbers where you can chat me up. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to follow me. Goodbye and have a lovely day.